Sonny didn't mind taking a pot shot. That's what I respect him for. I like him for. I remember once him telling Boycott at a public function. Boycott had just passed Gary Sobers to go past 8,032, 8,033. And that was all what Boycott wanted. He'd only come here to break that record. He broke that record and said, thank you very much. And at that dinner, Sonny told him, he said, Jeffrey, enjoy it for another year. I'm right behind you. I didn't take him even a year and a half. He was, I think 2 years, he said. In a year and a half, he was way past him and very quickly on to 10,000 runs in the game. Then the evolvement of Gavaskar, you see him as a broadcaster now. The guy, you can see all those qualities of his batsmanship coming into play here. Disciplined, professional. You'd never see a Gavaskar late, for a commentary shift or anything of that sort. Still goes through, his duties like an absolute machine. He's very contemporary. He's versatile because, he just moves from one to another. He's playing cricket. He's taken to the mic like fish to water. He can speak different languages. He can mimic. And he's contemporary. You can ask, you can have a conversation with him on any subject, and he'll be up to beat with it. He reads a lot, and just when you think of the package in that 5'5" frame, you realize that here's an absolute legend where God must have taken a lot of time in making him.